Hi, good morning. Unboxing number 2.
When you say good morning, you have a knife. Well, that's a good morning. I'm like,
That's a good
yeah.
start of the morning.
Yeah, it's like, whoa, it's scary. Do you need some, another kind of knife? Those box cutters?
I am good.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
be
morning.
careful.
I haven't eaten my spinach, so I'm a little bit slow, but trying. Okie dokie.
Alright. Is that mugs?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's mugs and mugs and mugs. It's well packed. The bubbles. Okie dokie. Be you.
So this is the first one.
Yeah, Rae Dunn. Oh, I love this. I love this. The happy birthday, Rae Dunn, and my favorite color. And of course, I got the butter. I'm glad it didn't break because
fish.
fully wrapped. I'm thankful. It's. Ta-da! Alright. Let's see the plate. Struggling a little bit. I haven't eaten my breakfast yet. Okie dokie. I have the butter plate, a Rae Dunn butter plate. Ay, ay, ay. Now I can have my butter here.
Oh, there's more.
No, that's about it, folks. And a big thank you to the Empress Collection. It made here safe and everything is perfect. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.